Hello guys, on this video I'll be showing you how to use chat.openai.com to generate content for your brand. For instance, if you are a business owner, you are a content writer, you are someone that's leveraging the internet, you can use this AI tool, this artificial intelligence tool to create content for your brand and to make things very easy for yourself. For instance, it's not very easy to think about what to write at times, especially when you are not in your rest of mind, you're not in your right state, and you would want to do something. I personally use this chat GTP to uh, draft my seminar presentation in school, and it was powerful. So I want to show you how to do it. But first, you need a Chrome browser for this. So you need a Chrome browser for this. You can use any browser though, but I'll be using Chrome browser for the sake of this training. So you click on Chrome browser, click on it, you visit, you type chat.openai.com. So when you click on it, you click on search. Now you must have an idea of what you want to do before you can proceed into this website. And once you do that, number 2 is to have a Chrome browser, like I said. Number 3 is to visit the site. Number 4 is to have an active email address so that you can create an account with this chat.openai.com and you can get started with what you want. Then number 5 is to get started. Now we have already logged in, or we have already opened our Chrome browser, and here we are in chat.openai.com. The next thing now is to sign up an account. If you don't have an account, you click on sign up. But if you already have an account and you want to just visit it back, you click on this login. So for this one, I will click on sign up because we are new to it. So once you click on sign up, it will come up with a prompt where you are to sign up with an email. So it is either you sign up with your email or you click continue with Google. I will recommend you click continue with Google. So you click on continue with Google. Once you click on continue with Google, all your email account will pop up. So once it pop up, all you need to do is to click on this. So click on the email you want to use. For this one, I'll click on this second email because I've used the first email already. I'm just doing this for the sake of this training so that you could see the process of getting it done from beginning to the end. You can see we have our chat GTP on board. This is the mobile view of it. It works same on your desktop view. So you could activate desktop to view everything, but then the most important thing is to have an account and you are ready to go. Now, there are things you need to consider here. One, this is a toggle button. If you click on it, you see other options I've created. Okay, this is linked to my number. These are where you will get to see your commands or your questions or your content that have been generated. These are old content. You can clear conversations by deleting all. If you click on this, you delete all. You can click on dark mode to get a dark mode presentation of the screen. You can open AI Discord. You can visit their Discord account. You can check for update and you can log out an account. You can start a new chat by clicking on this new chat. It means you are starting a new chat with this OpenAI. Now, if you this is same as clicking plus to start a new chat as well. Now, capabilities. Remember that user said earlier in the conversation allows user to provide follow-up corrections. So the AI allows what user said earlier in the conversation. For instance, if I want this AI to answer an assignment for me, it's going to be very easy for the AI because it's going to remember what I said earlier in the conversation. Now, this is more like an interaction between you and the AI. You are going to chat and ask the AI a question, and the AI is going to provide related answers. In most cases, they are not always right. I've encountered a situation whereby people ask questions and you see that the AI gives answer, and when they try to correct it, it says, "Oh, I'm sorry." If you get, so it happens. It happens. This is artificial intelligence. If you know what you want, you will be able to get what you want perfectly from this. But if you don't know what you want, you might copy crumbs and publish. You can even get a similar content to someone out there and publish, and you may be hold for plagiarism. You get, so you need to know what you want so that you can know how to twerk it around so that it doesn't look like something out there. So it allows users to provide follow-up corrections. It trains to decline inappropriate requests. There are some certain requests that this will not give you. For instance, I think there is a limitation to the kind of data or kind of information this AI can give to you. So you need to pay attention to this and to know the kind of questions you will ask. Then there are limitations. May This may occasionally generate incorrect informations. They are telling you what they can do and what they cannot do, which is very right. May occasionally produce harmful instructions or biased content. So for any content, for what you know, and that's why I say you can't ask what you don't know. If you want to get any right answer, you should have an idea of what you are expecting so that you can get it in a clear terms. So it also has limited knowledge of what an event after 2021. You get. So now let's start. This is the chat section. This is where you are going to type what you are expecting from the AI to. So for instance, I want to generate content for a particular brand. I want to generate content and publish this morning. So I'll be generating content from here. I'll go to Canva to design graphics with those content. And while I do so, I'm going to show you, so you can check the video on how to use to transform the write-up into graphics or video text. I'll be doing that with Canva. And there's also an AI tool on Canva, which I will be showing you as well. But then let's just explore this first. So now I want to generate content for a page I am managing. This is what I want to do first. One, I know what I want to generate, and I know the brand name, and I know the kind of content I want to generate. So what I'm going to ask this AI is going to give me a guide on the kind of content I want to create. So number one is write 10 content ideas to promote an interior decoration brand. You can see how tailored my message is. So the AI is going to find it very easy to give me what I want. One, I am giving it a prompt command of 10. Then I'm telling it to write, and I'm telling it 10 content ideas. This is an idea. Then this content aims at promoting this interior decoration brand. And I'm very specific with the brand. It is an interior decoration brand. So it's going to be very easy for this AI to generate such content idea. So for the brand you're managing, it could be any kind of business, could be clothing business. Just make sure you tailor your message just the way I did so that it will guide you on how to get this content the best way. So once you are done with that, you click on this. But before I forget, this seems to have been upgraded. If you want to maximize more, I think they are paying some amount of money now per month, but this is more of the free version I'm using. So I'll click on this button. I'll click on it. Then let's see the magic happens. Wow. So can you see? Now I asked this AI to give me content ideas. To give me content ideas. And you can see number one is showcase before and after transformations of client home, office and space. Share DI tips and tutorials on how to decorate your space with their products. Collaborate with influencers, designers, and bloggers to showcase the product in different interior styles. Share behind the scenes of product design development. Highlight the eco-friendly and sustainable aspect of the brand and its product. Share customer reviews and testimonials. Offer virtual interior design services using their product. Create a blog to share interior design trends and inspiration. Share interior decoration ideas for specific holiday season and event. Now let me ask the AI to continue this prompt again. Let me tell it to make it very detailed. Can you explain each of the content ideas? So I'm asking this AI to explain each of the content idea. So can you see? Certainly, here's a brief explanation of each of the content ideas. Number one, showcase before and after transition. Share before and after photos of client home, office and spaces that have been transformed using your customers' real life example of how to share DI, teach your customers how to use your product to decorate their own, collaborate with influencers, collaborate. You can see share behind the scenes, give customers behind skin, highlight eco-friendly, sustainable. So now I decided to what first ask of topic ideas, content ideas. Then number two, I asked this AI to generate or to explain this very content idea so that I would be able to have an idea of what I want. So you can copy this and you work on these very ideas and it goes well. You can see. But this one is more of an idea. An idea. So now let me make it very, let me create another chat. Okay, let me ask another question. Can you write a compelling headline that will market my interior decoration brand called Shunem Shunem Home Ideas? Let's hear what this AI is going to say. Sure, here are a few headlines to promote your interior decoration brand home ideas. Transform your space with Shunem Home Ideas, the ultimate solution for elegant interiors. Discover the magic of Shunem Home Ideas, creating beautiful spaces one room at a time. Unleash, can you see? So now the AI tool has given me 5 headlines, and in my prompt I didn't add the number of headlines I want, so it has given me up to 5. I didn't mean I made it 10 or 20 or 30. It's going to write all of them. It's going to write all of them so I can generate content and publish. For someone who is managing a page, for someone who has a brand, you can just generate this, go to your content planner uh, app or site and plan this content, schedule them, and you'll be surprised that every day content will be dropping on your platforms every day, and you'll be keeping people engaged, and you're already getting more traffic and engagement on your profile. So now let me go further into telling this AI to put a detailed explanation of what I want. So now it has given me headlines. Now I want it to explain each of the headlines. Can you be more elaborate or create long copies from these 5 headlines? I will search. So while you write, you can copy and keep, copy and keep, copy and keep, so that you can tweak them later. Can you see? Headline number 1: Transform your space with Shunem Home Ideas, the ultimate solution for elegant interiors. Are you tired of living in a dull and uninspiring space? Do you want to turn your home into a beautiful and elegant oasis? Look no further than Shunem Home Ideas. Our premium interior decoration products will transform. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Can you see? It's still writing. So once I am done with what I want, all I'm going to do is to copy it, go and get images of interior decorations or videos of interior decorations, and create content and publish on the page. So imagine having such 5 content now. This is for like 5 days. Or if I want to do 4 times a week, this is for a week. Or I want to do 5 times a week, these are content for 1 week. So imagine if you can get up to 30, you can schedule content for 30 days on your page. I hope someone is finding this interesting. Hope someone is finding this interesting. If this is your first time to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you can get amazing videos once I drop them on this platform. So this is this for how to use OpenAI chat to create content. You can write, just so far you can ask a question, you can get ideas of what you want, but then you have to know how to tailor it so that the AI can give you the right information. That is what matters most. That is what matters most. And if you have any question, you can drop on the comment section, or you need any assistance, ensure you drop on the comment section. I will be right there to attend to you.